With education firmly identified as a vehicle for social mobility and economic empowerment, the government is building bridges and transforming dreams through increased student support at the post-secondary level. In the Finance Minister's maiden budget speech, improved tuition loan, grant and scholarship opportunities were outlined under the Students' Loan Bureau and Chase Fund. As part of making the Students' Loan Bureau more efficient and service-oriented, a new and improved customer platform will be launched in the first quarter of the 2025-2026 fiscal year.
This platform will allow students to view their loans, print statements, and pay their loans online, among other functions.
Tertiary students will also be happy to learn that their SLB loan repayment period is being extended, offering graduates more time and flexibility to repay.
This government, through the Student Loan Bureau, will be offering to new students a longer repayment period of 10 years instead of the current 7 and 5 years. And the rates will remain the same, meaning the rates will not increase because the payment period has increased.
Further enhancements to SLB's services will be rolled out by the start of the 2026 school year, as part of a broad plan to overhaul the student loan system.
We are committed to an increase in the loan amounts that students will be able to access, and for the disbursement to include not just tuition, but also housing, books and supplies, the cost of a laptop, and a stipend for meals. We are also committed to a meaningful reduction in interest rates on the various loans, and will work rapidly to ensure the systems are in place to roll out the new loan offerings to make the lives of our tertiary students better and allow them to focus on attaining their educational goals to benefit themselves, their families, and Jamaica as a whole. The Chase Fund, since its inception in 2003, has awarded 4,909 scholarships valued at $829 million to more than 2,000 early childhood education practitioners and leaders pursuing undergrad and graduate degree programs in early childhood education, special education, literacy and numeracy, curriculum development, educational leadership, and educational administration at tertiary institutions.
To ensure more students can access these benefits, government is removing the need for guarantors for scholarships and grants of up to $2 million cumulatively.
We have listened to our practitioners who have shared the many challenges they face in securing guarantors that affect their take-up of these scholarships and grants. This should not be the case for individuals who serve our country's youngest, who carry the responsibility of their holistic development.